Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create your PolyBuzz AI character for free on this cool AI website I found called deepfakemaker.io. So all you have to do is to go to the website and click sign in, of course, or sign up. Then click on the image AI section here. Click on PolyBuzz AI image. Now this website allows you to fully create your PolyBuzz image and from prompt. So all you have to do is to upload your original image here in PNG, JPEG, or WebP formats, and then you can now add an additional prompt of 200 characters of what it should generate for you, and also choose your image ratio and then click on generate. And once you're done, if you do not like it, you can always regenerate or um, revalidate your prompt in this area. And then once your image is set, you can always download it. Now you can see samples of images that have been created using this particular format here. So if you scroll down, you would see all the images created here. And one thing is very particular about one really cool thing about this website is that it allows you to edit your already generated image, so that you are not just carelessly using your credits. And you can always integrate the images you've created into the PolyBuzz platform and then chat with that particular AI character you've created. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the other videos for more. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much and do have a great day.